Hey everybody, welcome back to another training video in my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 things I don't do to grow my YouTube channel and generate leads from it. Essentially, I'll be sharing you the things I'm not worried about, the things I don't spend my time on that have helped my channel. First though, if you're new here, thank you for watching today's training video. I strive to make this channel the place to go if you're starting a new online business and need tips, tricks, and methods to be successful. The things I share on this channel are the things I'm personally doing and learning as I grow my online business with affiliate marketing. And click to make sure you never miss out on a future video. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button below this video. And if you find today's training to be interesting and helpful, also hit the like button. So let's jump into these 3 things I don't worry about when working on my YouTube channel. Number 1, I don't worry about tags. Tags used to be helpful in telling YouTube what your channel is about. This is supposed to help you rank your videos in search results. The problem is tons of people are competing for the same tags, and YouTube doesn't need tags to determine what your video is about. Tags can be helpful if people are misspelling your name when searching for your channel, but other than that, tags are a thing of the past. So there are very big and much more beneficial ways to get your video shown than to just throw a bunch of tags in your video. The second thing I don't worry about is my subscriber count. I'm simply not concerned about how many subscribers I have. Just because I have 1 million subscribers doesn't mean that your videos are going to appear to those subscribers' homepages. In fact, this has become less help as an indicator for YouTube. What YouTube really wants to see is how many videos people are actually watching. So instead of racking up your subscriber count, you need to think about how to get people to watch your videos for longer periods of time. This is really what's going to help your videos show in the search and on the home feed. Now, the third thing I don't worry about is YouTube Shorts. I also don't worry about all the new products that YouTube releases. Now, I'm not saying that YouTube Shorts don't work on a channel. It's just, it isn't my strategy. I'm personally not interested in doing it. It's harder to work this into my current strategy. If you're interested in making short form content and TikTok and Instagram Reels, then maybe YouTube Shorts is the way to go. What I'm saying here is that you don't need to jumpstart into this new trend just because they're new. Rather, you should think about how these new features and products are going to contribute to your business and the type of content you want to put there. So here's the main reasons why I don't use Shorts. It simply doesn't align with my content marketing goals. When posting a video on YouTube, my goal is to post content with purpose. This helps me send viewers to an opt-in page where I collect an email address. This isn't my only goal, though. My overarching goal with YouTube is to provide value. What you share, what you know, what I'm learning and what I like and what I'm building. With short form of content, the only thing that you can really do is get in quick hits is get attention and potentially entertain viewers, but you can't provide a lot of value. Long form content, though, allows you to teach something and provide value that can't fit into a 30-second or 60-second video. That's the one reason why I don't do shorts. Now, when you get onto YouTube to create content, have a purpose. You create fans, people will follow you, trust you, such that when you share a paid offer, they're much more likely to purchase. A small number of subscribers that truly care is way better than a ton of subscribers who barely know who you are. YouTube is a great place to build your business. I like to think of it like this. If you put a McDonald's in the middle of the desert, it's going to bring in $0. Nobody knows it's there. Nobody's around to see it. Therefore, they don't make any sales. Even though they have a well-established brand with a product people like. Now, if you put that McDonald's in the middle of Times Square in New York City, it's going to bring in millions and millions of dollars. This puts the product and brand in front of hundreds of millions of eyeballs every year, almost guaranteeing a lot of foot traffic and sales. So when you build your business on YouTube, it's like putting your business in Times Square because people are there. People are simply going to find your content and start moving through your funnel, your opt-in page, and into your ecosystem, making you money. I also want to be clear in stating that just because you put a video on YouTube doesn't mean that people are going to watch it. It takes time to build an audience, and that starts with consistently putting out content that people will care about. The good news is that everyone starts at zero. 0 subscribers, 0 views. The YouTubers who get millions of views per year at some point had 0 views per year. Take hope in the fact that you can grow a successful business based on YouTube traffic. Unless you don't have products to sell or a system built on the back end to make most of the traffic. This is the reason why I joined the Partner with Anthony program, which I put a link in the description. The PWA program is designed for beginners, those who are brand new at this whole affiliate marketing thing. The PWA program allows you to partner with Anthony Morrison, who has a proven track record with affiliate marketing. The first part of this program is all about email marketing, building your email list, and creating sales funnels. Then you've actually been given access to promote the Partner Anthony program alongside a full ecosystem of other digital products. The cool thing is that because you purchased PWA, you get the commissions when other people purchase. This is the true value of an ecosystem. This is what very few companies have built into their affiliate programs. So if you want to start in the new age of affiliate marketing, you'll want to click the link below in the description section, which will give you how to get started with the Partner and Anthony program. This gives you an opportunity to generate multiple commissions and recurring revenue, all while having help building your email list. Now, after you've clicked the link, make sure you also like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.